Welcome to Shenzhen Yuanyuan Xingli Electronics Technology Company Limited. Our factory was established in Shenzhen in 2015 and spans 3,000 square meters, currently employing 120 staff members. A one-stop comprehensive manufacturer specializing in PCBA, SMT surface mount, DIP plugins, post-welding, testing, spraying, assembly, manufacturing, OEM, ODM, and electronic component procurement, serving the global electronics industry with multiple leading high-speed and precision SMT and assembly lines. Mainly sells a variety of high-end consumer electronic products including power supplies, adapters, and new energy sources. Currently, the product has been exported to over 20 countries including the United States, Germany, Japan, and Europe, earning the trust of our customers. High quality, competitive price, we are pretty sure that we will be your best choice.